In this video, I will demonstrate how to create a match schedule in Yabinya Karate Pro. Click the Schedule menu. Then, on the left side, a list of categories and the number of matches for each category will be displayed. Next, we will first understand how match duration is defined in Yabinya Karate Pro. Match duration is configured in age categories. For example, for Cadet, click Edit. Here you can see the match duration. For Kumite Individual, estimated duration for Kata Individual, and estimated duration for Kata Team. These match durations are taken from the default duration template. In this list, we can see the match durations for each age category. In the Kata Individual section, there is a mode option. We determine whether in one kata match, athletes will perform 2 athletes at once or 1 by 1. Usually, specifically for senior and under 21, it is set to 1 athlete per match. And for cadet, junior, or under 14, it is set to 2 athletes per match. In this match duration section, you can adjust it according to the needs of your event. After we understand the match duration, next we go back to schedules. Click the Add Match Days button. Then set the start time and estimated end of all matches. The match date is automatically based on event date. Next, click Save. Add for another match day, and then click Save. Next, we will try adding schedules manually. Right-click, then Add Match Schedules. Add a description, then set the duration and color. Next, we will add categories to the schedules. Drag and drop the category to the timetable schedule. First, we will try to calculate it first. We use the Match Duration Simulator feature. We check first for Cadet. Kata performance for Cadet is 150 seconds, and buffer time is 90 seconds. And now, we will try to simulate for Cadet Kata. Set the match duration to 150 seconds. Set the buffer time to 90 seconds. Then set the start time to 8:30. Total matches, 13 matches. Then click Calculate. We can see the total duration is 52 minutes, and the finish time is at 9:22. Because the timetable uses 5-minute rounding, the finish time on the timetable becomes 9:25. And if we simulate 1 athlete per match, the match duration for this category will be longer. Okay, we continue to the timetable schedule. You can use the right-click feature on the category and select Assign to Schedule. Or use drag and drop. At the top, there is an autofill empty slots feature. If we turn off this feature, the drag and drop process must be placed exactly at the selected time on the timetable. On the other hand, if we turn it on, the schedule will be automatically filled into available or empty time slots. After completing the match schedule, click Save Schedule. In the next video, I will explain the scoring process.